Good morning, folks. Welcome back to another episode. We are following the boys right now. We're going to do a little creek fishing, I think after some smallmouth. Just going to follow them. They're kind of going to be the guide today. The trip was amazing, so you guys are going to want to stay tuned until Friday's video to see that it was amazing. Epic video. It's going to be 2 parts, so I think it'll be Friday's video and next Monday's video. So you guys are going to have to stay tuned for that. Like I said, it was freaking absolutely amazing. So we're going to follow the boys here, fishing with my old roommate Justin, a good buddy Nick, a good buddy Austin's dad, and another good buddy Hunter. So you guys will all see them hopefully today. I think the 3 of them will be doing fly fishing, and me and Justin might just be doing some spinning reel. But enough jabbering on. You guys stay tuned, sit back and enjoy, and hopefully we get on some of the dang smallies. One just busted up there.
Oh, there's a nice one out there.
I got one.
Real nice.
You got one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Kyle got a good one.
Yeah, that's what I think.
Oh, there's another one right by it.
Boys, get up here, fish in here. Kyle's got a decent one. 13, 14 incher.
Easy, bud.
There's another one chasing them in.
Hey. First one, baby. He just went right between my legs. There you go. You see that? Little one. Straight at that middle log.
Oh, right on the middle log?
Yeah. He's a giant though, dude. PB.
What?
He's my personal best. Second smallie of the day, guys. Second smallie of the day. Little guy back here. See, bud. Second smallie of the day. Let's go. Not a giant, but these creek fish are so fun to catch. Sweet. Who did, his dad? Walleye.
Grab a picture of that and send it to me.
Another smallie. A little bit better. A little bit better. Austin. Little smallie. Oh yeah. Third little smallie. Smallie for days. See you, bub. This log, it might be the deal. Haven't even cast on this left side of this stump here. That's what I'm gonna do though. I'm just casting at this log. Just coming on the good old rooster tail. Got a little blacktail there, a little silver spoon. Smallie? We've had smallmouth, walleye. I think that's it so far. Maybe creek chub. Another one. I saw him come out and eat that. Come on, buddy, get up here. Doubled. But yeah, dude, as soon as I cast right there, you say you missed him? Right in that hole? I said right to the left of that log. As soon as it hit, he came like flying out of the bank. Number 4. See, bud. Caught 3 just out of this little hole, guys. It's crazy. They love these logs. They love this cover. Oh, that's gonna be money. There's gotta be one under there, right? Nope. There we go. Little guy. Little guy. It's all good. Little guy, but easy, dude. Barely hooked. Number 5. 4 of them right out of this freaking hole, boys. See, dude. 4 smallies out of a little hole. It's insane. Pretty sure I just missed that last catch on camera, so that's all good.
Oh, is it off?
I think so. Unless they shut it off, I don't know.
Oh, look at the tap.
I might have one.
Little tappity tap.
I can't. Maybe. It's not doing any head shakes.
Fuck yeah, big old stick.
Big old sticky.
That's a stick, man.
It's a 3-pounder.
It's a tree. I like that one. Never heard that before.
Get it, Justin. Clear the way.
I told you it was either ticks or leeches.
Well, we're probably gonna get both. Or broken lines.
I've had that happen to me.
Ticks and leeches. There we go.
There you go. He's got a nice one. That's still smaller than what I caught here, isn't it, Justin? Huh?
He missed it the first time. It's probably the biggest one of the day for me, though, for sure. Hell yeah. What's that? Yeah, he like missed it right here. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna freaking miss him. Jeez, feisty. Smallmouth for days here, huh? Hell yeah, dude. It's not been that bad of a day.
It's not been really good past this point. There's only a couple holes. Yep. Nice, real nice, real nice. Nat. That's that big one, Justin.
Is it?
Yes. I'm not fortunate. He's fucking moving.
Dive on it.
Oh my god. This is a toad.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Get him, Justin.
Okay. A little bit closer.
Keep trying. I don't want to horse it. He's fucking big and he has a lot of power. Yeah! Nice. That is that big one.
Sweet. You want a picture of that one, huh?
Yeah.
Put him in that net.
Yeah, I got him.
If I had my phone, would have been dive in there.
Dove right
I'm
in.
barbless too. Oh
Hell
my god.
That's nice.
Bye.
Back to the depth. Alrighty, y'all, we were back from the creek adventure. Had to wait a little bit later to do a freaking outro. It was hot. It's still hot out. Got a little sweat action going on. But that is going to do it for today's video. We got on the smallmouth. I think every one of us caught a fish, and it was a great old time. Like I said, it was a little hot, but you were standing in the water, cooled you right on down. We each caught a smallie. A good time with all the good old buddies. The freaking trip was amazing. It's going to be in 2 parts. Friday's video is going to be part 1 of the trip, and rounding out Monday will be part 2. So you guys are going to want to stay tuned If you're not already, you're going to want to subscribe so you guys don't miss that. And leave a like on this video so I know you guys are enjoying the content. Hit the subscribe button. You guys don't want to miss it. Until Friday, I'll see you guys with a banger. Right here. Peace.